Did you ever ask yourself how vitamins are made? What goes into your supplements? Every day, millions of us rely on these tiny powerhouses known as vitamins to help our bodies function at their best. They are the invisible warriors fighting off disease, aiding in growth, and ensuring our bodies operate as they should. But have you ever stopped to ponder on the origin of these vital nutrients? Vitamins are complex organic compounds required by the body in small amounts for various metabolic processes. We usually get them from the food we eat, but when our diets fall short, we turn to supplements. So, where do these supplements come from? How are they manufactured? What exactly goes into each little pill that promises to pack a punch of essential nutrients? Intrigued yet? Good. Buckle up as we embark on an enlightening journey into the world of vitamin production. Vitamins, nature's gift to us, right? Not exactly. We often make the assumption that the vitamins we take daily are plucked right from Mother Nature's bounty. However, the reality is that these beneficial compounds often come from a place you might not expect, a laboratory. Why, you ask? Well, it's a matter of practicality. Imagine trying to extract enough vitamin C from oranges to meet the world's demand. You'd need an orchard larger than a country. The truth is, it's just not feasible to rely solely on natural sources. Instead, scientists synthesize these vitamins in labs, ensuring a consistent and pure supply that can be mass-produced. This process allows us to have access to these necessary nutrients, no matter the season or availability of natural resources. It's a blend of nature's wisdom and human ingenuity. So, the vitamins in your supplements were born in a lab, not a leaf. Interesting, isn't it? Now brace yourself for the fascinating process of vitamin synthesis. First up is the selection of raw materials. These can be anything from plant extracts to synthesized chemical compounds. The key here is to ensure these materials are of the highest quality, as they form the very foundation of our vitamins. Now, on to the conversion process. This is where science really starts to work its magic. Through a series of chemical reactions, these raw materials are transformed into the vitamins we recognize. Just imagine that leafy green spinach you had for lunch. It's not too different from what's happening right now in this process. The next stage is purification. Now, this is crucial to ensure that the vitamins are safe and effective. Any impurities introduced during the conversion process are carefully removed. This is done through various methods ranging from filtration to crystallization. The aim is to isolate the vitamins and ensure they're as pure as possible. But the journey doesn't end there. Once purified, the vitamins are then blended. Depending on the type of supplement being produced, different vitamins may be mixed together. They're blended to ensure an even distribution, so every single tablet or capsule contains the exact amount of each vitamin. And now, for the final act, the blended vitamins are compressed into tablets or filled into capsules. This is done using specialized machines that can handle thousands of tablets or capsules an hour. It's a sight to behold, like a well-rehearsed dance of precision and accuracy. Finally, the vitamins are tested. Stringent quality control measures are put in place to ensure the vitamins meet all the necessary specifications and standards. Only after passing these tests do the vitamins make their way onto the shelves and into your homes. And voila, that's how vitamins are made. Surprised? We thought so. So, we've just navigated the complex world of vitamin production. Let's take a moment to recap. We've uncovered the enigma of vitamins, these magical microscopic nutrients that our bodies crave. We've explored the dichotomy between nature and the laboratory, understanding that while vitamins are abundant in our environment, it's not always possible to get our required dosage from food alone. This led us to the heart of the vitamin journey, the factory. Here, through a process of synthesis, vitamins are created in their purest forms. We've seen the step-by-step guide from raw ingredient sourcing to the complex chemical reactions, and finally, the meticulous packaging of these vital nutrients. This journey illuminates the extraordinary effort that goes into making the tiny capsules that supplement our daily health. Next time you pop a vitamin supplement, remember the fascinating journey it took to get to your hand. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. Keep